Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4 minus s squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 2s ds. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s with the negative sign here. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u. And we know that u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.